Hi, Tinseltown.
So I want to ask you something really deep about life. You might not know it, but still.
How deep?
What do you know about life on other planets, like aliens and reptiles and things like that?
Well, I am doing a new animation series, a prehistoric Cindy, so I'm going back to the Ice Age. So that I know a little bit about. I'm playing the most intelligent woman on Earth. As far as the future, I do believe that there's life on other planets, definitely, and I believe in life after death. So I'm hoping that's true. Please be true. And I don't know if I know really much about it, but I think it's just belief, and you have to have faith that there's other worlds, because we couldn't be the only intelligent humans in the whole universe. So I'm just hoping that I get to come back as Brad Pitt's pillow.
Well, you're right. There is life on other planets, and there is definitely life after death.
Okay, if you say so. Can I have that in writing?
Yeah, I'm a spiritual healer. I can see all this stuff.
Okay, then I'm so glad I met you. So what am I going to come back as?
You're going to go straight to heaven, and you'll be so happy you're not going to want to come back.
Oh, I like that. Well, what about heaven on earth, though? I'm having a pretty good time now.
Well, that's what we make it. With our free will, we can make heaven on earth. Once we're free from ignorance and we have tons of knowledge and people know about other things.
Yes, and I think the most precious thing in the world is actually to give life. And so, having my son has totally changed me. I think there's nothing more fulfilling on earth. So, hopefully if I go to heaven it'll be great, but I want to stay here with my son.
Oh, you will. You'll only go when your time's over, when you're not needed anymore. When your work is done.
I hope so.
Okay, thank you so much.